Winterfest ready. Hello, vlog room. Oh, my chain is backwards. But yep, Winterfest. About to go pick the rental up. I'm actually late to go pick the rental up, but whatever. Got a nice rental, you know. Rental girl, say hello to the camera.
Don't play with me.
Say hello to the camera. Man, what you trying to be, sir? Rental girl.
3131.
Enterprise.
Get out my face.
Enterprise, say something for the camera, Enterprise.
For $25 a month.
What you say?
I trust people say.
What you say? The man I try to get number.
Can I say?
They are in the building.
Yeah, man, you don't know.
We haven't said to the camera, brother.
One thing you know what I'm saying?
Indiana. About to go get Alex now.
Man, up for the Mazda.
Do it for the vlog. Doing it for the vlog. Alex in this boy got his hair cut. Hello. Hello. Hold on, man. Let me open the trunk, bro. Let me open it. Hey. Dude had to get his hair together, vlog world. This dude had to get his hair together, vlog world. All right, man. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So we just got the pastor's house. Doing it for the vlog. About to leave Indiana in a minute. Indiana already. Hopefully they got some breakfast in here. You feel me? Man, look at the. Y'all can't even see that guy.
On G, what up?
Oh yeah, you back in here.
On G, oh my God, this
Where the food at? Where the food at?
So I want y'all to know that you all are valuable in Greenfield. And wherever you go, you represent Greenfield. If you happen to do anything that you're not supposed to do, they probably won't even, they won't talk to you.
Nah, man. Had to take a stop, pee break, eat break. So we just took a random stop, you know. Somebody had to pee. We have to say to the camera. How you usually put the money? What you gotta say to the camera, man? What you gotta say to the camera, man? I'm the only one that can.
You're watching the chain, it's way more believable. Give me a feasible game, rather her seasonal name. I'll let the people know this is something you can.
Alright, just got to the lake. What you gotta say? Yeah, I'm a vlogger, man. I'm a vlogger, bro.
Got nothing to say.
What you gotta say, man? Just got here, Lake James. We got a lake down there. You feel me? B-ball court. Hey. Wait, I'm not care about them. Hey, how you guys doing? Hey. These dudes taking off their clothes like they about to do something, vlog world. They don't want it in one-on-one. They don't want it, man. Yeah. Doing it for the vlog. They like 3 hours late. 3 hours late.
We've been here for a good hour, bro.
Da 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 da. Boom! Your wish. So we about to go get some dinner. Food! Dinner, food. We hungry. It's cold outside.
We riding over
What?
there, we just walking.
You want a camera angle? Get it there.
Food right now, you see me?
You see it, vlog
One
girl.
thing.
Ready?
Me and the thugs.
Road ready.
Me and the thugs ready already.
You see it? We just got this long walk, man.
We gotta.
Winterfest 2017. We have an awesome weekend planned, but it is my prayer and my hope this weekend that you encounter the heart of God and that you encounter His love and His plan for your life. To open our service tonight, the Greenfield Dance Team is going to be leading us in.
Alright, so we just came back from worship and it was nice. It was epic, honestly. I'm sick, so I'm probably just gonna call it in. I'm real tired right now, but you know, the first day it was good. It was a blessing, you know, so yeah. Later. Don't tell nobody. Bullet.